ever felt like that? After going to have a haircut, you couldn't explain it, they didn't cut it the way you wanted, you were frustrated, maybe you even cried. Has that happened to you? In this video you will learn never ever to have those problems again. You will never cry again. You will always be able to explain what you want through this very simple method found by Tuttle, Dress Your Truth. What is this about? You will see a short snippet of how she explains how a haircut is to be done for the 4 different types. Where does she come up with the 4 different types? Well, your personality and your facial features show which type you are. They are found in nature. Everything around us has been made or created by the 4 elements. The 4 elements are air, water, fire, and earth. We see it in everything around us. We see it when a sun sets or the sun rises. The color changes. You can see it also in the mountains when the color changes. You can see those elements in the animal world. You can see those elements in our features of the face and the body. According to those 4 elements, there are 4 types of personalities. You have all those elements in you, but you have one dominant one that comes across. If you cut your hair according to those elements, primarily to the one that's dominant in you, you will never have a bad hair day again. I am 50 plus and I used to have long hair, short hair, medium hair. I was never happy. After I left the hairdresser, it looked good for maybe an hour at best. And then I had to work so hard to maintain it. I'm sure I am not the only one, and I'm sure I'm speaking out of your heart. I used to always do this because it used to annoy me. So I don't do those things anymore. My type, which is type 3, is the element of fire. So I have a bit of a longer hair, shorter hair. This time I keep it very short, but you can have that same feel of it, medium, long, whichever way you want. You will see a couple of examples here. So without further much ado, have a look of one of the snippets from her free guide. As I want to say, in the description below the video you can find the quiz. It's a free quiz. You can immediately find out which type you are, and the free beginner's guide. It is very extensive. Don't let the word fool you, free beginner's guide. It is very extensive. You see all the videos there that you need. You can start straight away. And with the information in the free beginner's guide, you can go to your hairstylist, to your coiffeur, or however you call him, and have it done perfect the way it needs to be done. So please enjoy the first snippet.
No more bad hair days with what we're going to teach you when it comes to your hair, cut, color, and style in your Dressing Your Truth experience. Sarah, what are the benefits of getting the correct color, cut, and style as a type 3 woman?
Having a rich, dynamic quality in your hair really enhances your look. It brings out a brightness in your face and really smooths over any texture that you have and really brings forward your beauty.
Your facial features have swift, dynamic, edgy, textured lines in a manner. So you're going to actually match that. Some of the things that women do that really make them give up on hair, because hair is such an emotional process, is they get the wrong color.
Right.
If a type 3 doesn't have the right color on their hair, if you are coloring your hair, it will age you considerably. What are some other reasons women give up on their hair or feel so lost with it and just frustrated?
Often type 3s, with their practical nature, think that it takes too much time. Maybe they're feeling like, oh, I can't go in every 8 weeks and get my hair colored.
You go to the stylist, you don't feel you're getting what you want or able to even express what you want. So that's money wasted in your mind, time wasted in your mind, and it's frustrating.
But with the right knowledge, you can educate your stylist and you can have the right tools and resources to get the results that you're wanting. And I feel like it's really empowered me to be an expert in the chair. You know, I'm
Yes.
there, I'm talking to the stylist, I'm taking an active role in what's happening in my hair experience.
And emotionally, women get really frustrated with the hair experience because it's so representative of who we are. It's not a hidden feature. And with the correct hair, you're going to see all of that disappear. You're going to see a healthy woman, a beautiful woman. You're going to look in the mirror, and in some cases, I've heard this from the thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of women we've helped. They've even, in some cases, said it's the first time they looked in the mirror and saw a woman they could say they loved how she looked.
Wow.
In order to achieve a great hairstyle, you're looking at 3 features in creating that hairstyle: color, cut, and style. We're going to go back to your style guide and your key words that want to express through color, cut, and the style of your hair.
The key words are textured, angled, substantial, rich, dynamic, and edgy.
I hope you have enjoyed this little snippet out of the free beginner's guide. You can have an idea now what she will be talking about and how it is set up. So please go to the link below this video. In the description below this video, you will see the link to the free quiz, because you first need to find out which type you are, and the second link is for the free beginner's guide. You can actually today, after you have gone through the material, go to your hairdresser and tell him exactly how to do it. She also has pictures if you want to sign up for the membership, or if you want to get the style guide. She has pictures about the different types and certain hairstyles that's specifically in the lifestyle membership. You can check that out as well if you so wish. Most importantly, I wish you a really, really happy next 20 year. Always good hair there. Thank you for watching.